toddler toddlers today. Hello, Daddy Lion, where is your baby? There he is. Your baby is called a cap. Hello, Mommy Alligator, where is your baby? There he is. Your baby is called a hatchling. Hello, Mommy Elephant, where is your baby? Your baby is called a calf. Hello, Daddy Frog, where is your baby? Look, your baby is called a tadpole. Hello, Daddy Monkey, where is your baby? Look, there, your baby is called an infant. Hello, Mommy Zebra, where is your baby? Your baby is called a fowl. Hello, Daddy Deer, where is your baby? Oh, there you are. Your baby is called a fawn. Hello, Daddy Seal, where is your baby? There he is. Your baby is called a pup. Hello, Gummy Bear, where is your baby? See there, your baby is called a cup. Hello, Mommy Bat, where is your baby? Your baby is called a pup. Hello, Daddy Gorilla, where is your baby? Oh, there he is. Your baby is called an infant. Hello, Hippopotamus, where is your baby? There he is in water. Your baby is called a calf. Hello, Daddy Camel, where is your baby? There he is. Your baby is called a calf. Hello, Mommy Kangaroo, where is your baby? Hello, little one. Your baby is called a Joe's. Hello, Daddy Giraffe, where is your baby? Oh, there he is. Your baby is called a calf. Hello, Daddy Wolf, where is your baby? Look, there, your baby is called a pup.